Welcome to Z Pro Studio.
Do you rely on your laptop daily? Protecting it with the right case is essential. A broken screen can cost you up to $600 to repair. This guide ensures you choose a case that fits your laptop, matches your lifestyle, and stays within your budget. A laptop case is designed to shield your device from damage during transport. It absorbs impacts, blocks moisture, and prevents scratches. In 2026, with rising laptop prices, the importance of a durable case has never been greater. When choosing a laptop case, there are several steps to follow. Start by measuring your laptop's chassis, not just its screen size. A 15-inch laptop can vary significantly in dimensions, making internal measurements crucial for an accurate fit. Next, consider your commute habits. If you only carry your laptop, a fitted sleeve will suffice. For those with accessories, opt for a case with pockets. Daily commuters should consider a backpack with a padded compartment for maximum protection. Verify the materials used in the case. High-quality padding and durable outer shells will ensure longevity. For environments that expose your laptop to the elements, look for cases with high water resistance ratings. Check the case's compatibility with ports and accessories. Ensure you can access your laptop's ports without removing it from the case. Zipper quality is also essential. Look for high-rated zippers that withstand daily use. Finally, confirm the case's durability markers. Poor quality materials will deteriorate quickly, so buy a case with reinforced stitching and a solid warranty. In 2026, the best laptop cases include the Tomtoc 360 laptop sleeve, in-case hardshell for MacBooks, and Thule Gauntlet for versatility. Each case prioritizes fit, protection, and practicality. Avoid common mistakes like trusting size labels without checking measurements. Ensure a snug fit to avoid your laptop sliding during transport. Always consider the added bulk of charges when sizing your case. Remember, the right laptop case isn't just about aesthetics. It's about making a smart investment in your technology's longevity. Take 10 minutes to find and measure your laptop, then choose a case that fits perfectly. Don't wait until it's too late. Secure your device today.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Z Pro Studio for more tech tutorials, AI tips, and digital marketing insights. See you in the next video.